Can Solana hit the big number? Okay, that's what I'm going to be breaking down for you guys in this video. I want to know what you guys think, as well as I'm going to give you guys my thoughts, okay? Because we're going to be talking Solana. We talk Solana pretty much every single day here on the channel. So guys, make sure you guys are all subscribed down below, as well as on X, if you guys all have a Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, okay? Because we talk Solana pretty much every single day. One of my most favorite cryptos to trade, full disclosure. If you guys watch my stuff, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But let's get into it, all right? Let's get into it. Let's talk about it. The big number for Solana. Can we hit $200? Going once, going twice. We're going to be talking about it right here in this video. So make sure you guys are all sticking around to the end. And as always, put that SOL, not shit out of luck, but SOL down below in the comments. I want to see those Solana symbols firing up that YouTube algorithm. And like I said, if you have not subscribed, make sure you guys are all subscribed here on YouTube. And let's get down into it, guys. And not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. But we're looking at this, guys, from a chart perspective, and look at this volatility within Solana, okay? And it's funny to watch because we haven't seen these upticks that we're seeing within certain cryptos where, granted, these are 1 hour candles, but we haven't had the God candles that we're seeing across the board with certain cryptos. Some of the memes out there are really experiencing some huge, heavy green days. But Solana, if you look back here, guys, going back to the 21st, the 20th of February, we're basically just a little bit below that level right here, right now. Okay, we were above 112 back in that time period, and now we're just at that $110 level. So whether there's some shuffling of funds, some profit taking, some liquidations, if you will, that's yet to be determined. But guys, Solana is a very heavily traded crypto. That's been my experience with it. That's one where, you know, I personally targeted Solana, not just because of what they set out to do. No, you know, there's no such thing as an Ethereum killer, in my opinion. But within Solana, guys, I love the volatility. And this is one where we look at right now, we can zoom in on this, and you can see the algorithm, XT Algo, is flashing momentum down, or momentum up, and then getting a possible retracement down. And look at this red candle forming. We're already getting back, basically diving under 109, 108. This is a big sell going on. This is a big sell right now live. And, you know, it wasn't a momentum down flashing, but this was a possible retracement down that flashed from XT Algo, okay? And that's where we look at it. So we're starting to get a little bit of buyback, and it's kind of cool to watch these candles form, especially when there's a lot of trading going on in these heightened times of activity, such as we're seeing right here on the charts, because then you get to really get into the live action, what's happening, and really use XT Algo, okay? But that's my trading indicator. You can see we're still flashing momentum up, so until that flashes momentum down again, I'm not going to be too concerned. But with Solana, guys, being as volatile as it is on a 1 hour candle, we see that pretty much multiple times per day, okay? But I use it on every one of my crypto trades. If you guys are looking for a trading algorithm to help you with your crypto trades, it also works on traditional finance as well. That's where you can find my link down below in the description. 20% off promo code. Use NYFC in the promo box. That's where you'll get 20% off in a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, you think it sucks, you say, Mark, it doesn't work, no questions asked. But I use it on every one of my trades, and it's not a crystal ball, but just, you know, one trader to another. Guys, it simply works, all right? And let's get back into it. This is where we came here to talk about Solana getting to $200 or $80 in March. The big number that we look at, Solana is a huge milestone. We're talking about, even in this article, a $130 milestone that we're looking at. And it's been kind of the darling. It's been the darling of 2023, 2024, the early on beginning of 2024, getting up as high as 112, 114. It's fascinating stuff. But we're seeing within Solana, within their market cap, they're still top 5. I think a lot of people forget about it because there's not really any noise. We hear the Solana meme coins when they're exploding, but you don't hear anything about these layer ones that are actually doing stuff organically. Cardano is another one that kind of goes under the radar, and a lot of them are. I mean, look at Hedera, look at Aptos, just to name a few, Avalanche. A lot of these cryptos are great projects. And I think that they go under the radar. I think everybody right now is just so focused on these Bitcoin ETFs that people are losing track of what is right in front of their face. All right, but we're talking about a huge crypto, and now we can see it evidence within their TVL. This is where we see this beginning to rise, where the TVL has gotten down to 2.11 billion, but that is a huge number, guys. That's where, you know, where it started at was 350 million. Now look at it, okay? So Bitcoin getting above 60K briefly, and what we're seeing, these are critical levels that Solana is reclaiming. And I did indicate to you guys on the trading view that we did not hit and stay at those levels that all the other cryptos are kind of showing. There's been a lot more selling going on with Solana, and let's just take a quick dive and see exactly. Yeah, so still really bouncing off of this candle right here at the 110 level. All right, but back into it, guys. This is where we look into some of the TA surrounding it. This is indicating the CMF, the MACD. All of these are bullish indicators that we're seeing, okay, as well as what we're seeing with the RSI. And that's kind of what we're looking at as the potential for future gains with Solana, okay? But obviously, nobody has a crystal ball. We love crypto. We love trading crypto. Solana is one of the most volatile cryptos that I experience within my crypto trading. It's one of the ones that I have in terms of swing trading and interest in personally, because I do love its volatility, and that's why it's so great to have something on your side, such as XT Algo, because it simply works. All right, but let me know your thoughts down below. Are we going to hit $200 first, or are we going to hit that $80 level in March and have a sell-off? Personally, guys, if Bitcoin tackles another 10,000 and gets to 70, 75,000, Solana at $200 is, in my opinion, a huge possibility, okay? But as always, not financial advice. Appreciate you all stopping out. We're getting to 5,000 subs. We're this close, closer than you think. I hope you guys are all doing well. And for those of you that are returning, I appreciate you guys being part of the channel. And for those of you that are stopping by for the first time, I hope you guys all consider subscribing down below here on YouTube as well as on X. But I thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.